Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to make a simple floor lab that you can make using easily available material. If you're new here, karibu sana. My name is Reggie. I do all things DIY, and karibu sana. Remember to subscribe before you leave. If you are watching and you have not yet subscribed, please remember to subscribe. Like this video, comment down below, and share. It really does help with boosting my channel and recommending it to people who are like you and me. So all the material that I got, I have the handle, the mob handle that I got at a supermarket, and also that casmon thing that I don't know what is called, but I believe it's used to make like porridge. So I'm using an MDF board to make the base. So we're just going to draw a circle, then cut it. As I always say, if you don't have the tools to like cut the shape, you can always go to your local carpenter and request for them to cut for you. They normally do that at a very small fee, and it is easier. But I also recommend that you buy a tool if you really do enjoy DIYs. Once that is ready, we are going to mark where we want our pole to stand. So I will be using an L-shaped bracket to attach the two pieces, and also some quarter inch screws to do that.
No, I can't take the silence. Now I find comfort in the rain. Tell me, who can I rely on when those I love cause me pain? She dreams of you, she calls your name at night. I'm frozen in the snow, can't win this fight. This is hot robbery. This is hot robbery. This is hot robbery. This is hot robbery. This is hot robbery.
No, I don't recognize us anymore. Baby, your love used to be my cure. He was here.
Now that we have our base ready, we are going to attach the other part. So with this one, you can, if you don't have the bigger bit, you can just attach the two pieces using a 1.5 screw, but I want it to pass through it, so I want it to be like one piece, and you won't be able to notice the screw. So I will also be using wood glue to attach them together.
When I needed you the most. You cannot steal what's inside yours.
And you dream of him, you call it.
So for painting, you can pick any color you want. You can also do stain, but for me, black is my to-go color. So we are definitely going to paint this one black, the whole of it, and then have it like do a final polish to just seal and protect the paint.
I'm frozen in the snow, can't win this fight. I can't win this fight. This is hot robbery. This is hot robbery. This is hot robbery. This is hot robbery. This is hot robbery.
For the electrical part, I will be using this small cable. I think it's called a speaker cable, and I'm going to separate it on the wood to make it as flat as possible. As I always say, like, to do connection for the lighting, it's very simple. You don't have to have like a lot of understanding with electrical. You just need a top plug and a bulb holder to do that. You just want to make sure your connection is tight and well secured. I'm yet to find like some black bulb holder around me, but since we don't have one, we are going to spray paint this one. I ran out of spray paint, and I think you will notice at some clip that you will see that the holder is not well painted. I will do that once I go and buy my spray paint, but in the meantime, if you have a spray paint, please do a good job.
Getting hot, feeling low, and it's out of your control. You should know that I won't leave you. I'll stay beside you. I'm never.
To connect the wires, it's very simple. You just need the one wire cord to connect it to the live point, and also the neutral one to connect to the neutral point, and this also goes to the bulb holder. Just make sure like it's well secured.
But I will guide you home. Fight your battles, always by yourself. In the shadows, hear you cry for help. No matter the distance, I will always be there. No more inhibitions, I'll show you I care. You've been lost and alone in the city of lights. I know. Getting hot, feeling low, and it's out of your control. You should know that I won't leave you. I'll stay beside you. I'm never letting you go.
Once I was done and stepped back to look at the whole thing, I realized the caster thing was not making any sense to me. So I tried a different size of the bulb to see if it will give the vibe I was going for, which is very cozy and some character, but definitely it was not. So I decided to do like a whole flip. I cut off the star and did a simple bulb holder using a normal saucer plate, and there you have it, a very simple DIY. It really does bring out the cozy vibe that I was looking for. So if you do this DIY, please remember to tag me on Instagram at Reggie Doing Things, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.